ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ha ka arpu ai tri kubnai kila lingkot arajar arpu ar ki paitba nong song snong kila rakhe ye ka Jingdap san Snem ka Jingïoh Jylla Bapura jong ka Meghalaya. Ha ka jing rakhe ye ka ni ka sngi ka balalong hamaran JN Complex Polo usembut Menteri Rangba jong ka Jylla uba preston tunsong ulalong kum kongsan harengkat ka jing sakhilang jong ki Menteri Sarkar ki MLA ki Hair Officer jong ki tana trekam bapher bat ki bala shakhot ngobha. Hagani ka sngi ukongsan ula penkub buram ye ki laingut ki nongsong snong jong ka Jylla ki bala no senyang sho usup uthiar jong ka Jylla hagi ba bon rukom ki ba kinthop ya uba Benedict kemlang hanyota hagalyang ka sub draw jingdro usamla helen nong tudu ha ka sub yele kai football but Reverend Father Charles CH Sangma kum unong Traimon ngobha kan ba ka jing rakhe kadang ya shakman Lapan iru ye ka video kabala yo ringdor san Snem menshwa menba ka Menteri Rangba do kari India ke Indira Gandhi kalawan yo kejat hamadan kirkit laban ban penbena ye ka Jing'ai Jylla Bapura ya ka Meghalaya. Menteri Rangba do kari Narendra Modi ula ai kublai shaki paitba nong song snong jong ka Jylla Meghalaya da ka basu ai jingkren online na office trai kam jong na New Delhi bara ka jo ka por Menteri Rangba ka Jylla Konrad Kongkel Sangma ubamshim la satya banya dan benta lang hagni ka jing rakhe namar ka jing sngo shitom hadin balawan phai na New Delhi ula shu ai kublai da ka basu ai jingkren online. Lapan songkun ya kini ka jing rakhe de ka jing rawai na ki rendang bas yang jong ka kinhon rawai Shillong Chamber Choir.
My pleasure to be a part of this momentous occasion, wherein we celebrate the 50th Statehood Day of Meghalaya, and at the same time may I express my sincere greetings to the people of the state on this joyous occasion. Today is a red letter day in the history of our beautiful state Meghalaya, for it was exactly 50 years ago, just beyond these stadium walls, about 400 meters away, the then Prime Minister Srimati Indira Gandhi, erstwhile Chief Minister William Son A. Sangma, Governor B.K. Nehru, Professor Gigi Swell, and other dignitaries stood on stage to address the thousands that had gathered in this ground. 50 years ago, Meghalaya became the 21st state of the Indian Union. Under the slogan, "No Hill State, No Rest," the Hill State movement was fought through non-violent means. The perseverance of our visionary leaders and volunteers of the movement ensured the recognition and the preservation of our rich history, our culture and traditions, which not only do we hold dear, but which has also helped give direction and shape to the Meghalaya we know today. At this time, I would also like to pay homage to the different groups, organizations and political parties who were instrumental in voicing the concerns of the people in those years. I pay homage to the Khasi National Darbar and its members, the Federation of Khasi States, the erstwhile EITU or East India Tribal Union, the erstwhile Garo National Conference, the Khasi Jantia Federated States National Conference, the Hill State People's Democratic Party, and last but not the least, we salute the 1970s political party of All Party Hills Leaders Conference. As we step into the Golden Jubilee, Year of Meghalaya. And as we celebrate this milestone achievement, I take this opportunity to remind all of us that we live in a beautiful state, blessed with natural beauty and rich in resources, both natural and human. The 50th year's journey of our state has certainly been eventful. The state has recorded many achievements, be it in the field of industry, agriculture, health, tourism, education, and infrastructure. But there is so much more to do and so much more to achieve. Today, as we gather in these historic grounds to celebrate 50th years of Meghalaya, I am pleased and honored to welcome the Honorable Chief Minister Shri Conrad Sangma, whose able leadership and guidance has helped give shape to the meaningful celebration of the Golden Jubilee year of our state, and with his vision, take the state forward here on.
While we celebrate our statehood, we should also remember late Indira Gandhi, who was the then Prime Minister, late Governor Shri Nehruji, late Captain Williamson Sarma, the first Chief Minister of our state, who had been there on the occasion of the inauguration of the statehood. While we do that, we should also celebrate the great diversity of our nation, and it reflects the greatness of our nation, where so many diverse tribes, so many diverse cultures are there, and yet we are part of this great country called India. The last 50 years have been very, very challenging for us. At the same time, a lot of work has gone in to bring the state to where it is. Many governments, many individuals, many public leaders have contributed in terms of the development of our state. We have seen great contributions being made in the road and infrastructure, where we had 150 kilometers of national highway when we started off as a state. And today, we are over 1,000 kilometers of national highway. We have seen great contribution and work in terms of giving functional household taps to different households, where we were at 4,500 households, and today we are almost crossing 2 lakh households. We have seen great strides in rural connectivity, in PMGSY. We have seen also great strides in our work in the MGNRAGS work that's happening. Farmers have contributed immensely to our state. Youths have contributed immensely to our state. And while we look back, we see that many, many projects have been initiated, but they could not see the light of day for multiple reasons. Like the Crowborough Hotel, which has been there for almost 3 decades. But I'm happy to tell you that in this 50th year of our statehood, we will be completing the Crowborough Hotel. We've also initiated the work to our state assembly, and I'm happy to inform you that within a few months, we will be completing the state assembly building also. In a few days from now, I will also be inaugurating the new IT park, which will provide over 1,500 jobs to our youth in the state. This will be only a beginning, and I assure you that we will expand the IT park in the future also to ensure that we are able to cover more areas and provide more job opportunities to our youth.
Você You can put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, as we are creating history at this point of time. I'd just like to make a mention that the memory crate is being locked using a traditional lock made in the Malay village, as we call it in Kasi, Katala, Indian. They've carried the name of Shillong and our state all over the world.
Today we celebrate the 50th year of our statehood and remember all those who have contributed immensely in the development and progress of the state in the preceding years. On this auspicious occasion, we pay obeisance to all the great leaders who have collectively come together and all the people who were involved in the statehood movement, the people from all walks of life, and made the statehood reality for our people. Today, we would like to reconnect with the past and realign with the present and future to ensure that we still remain committed to the hopes and aspirations which was connected with the statehood movement and remain true to our honest intention of setting a developmental momentum to ensure that we have a bright and prosperous future for our generation next. We'll be meeting, having this celebration all through the year, and let us continue to commit ourselves and with utmost sense of our resolve to ensure that the dreams and aspirations which ultimately culminated into the statehood movement and its fruition remain alive in the minds of every citizen of the state.